Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check whether your computer for 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, WLAN space, show space, drivers. In my Wi-Fi only supports 2.4 GHz bandwidth. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.